What if robots fired everyone tonight? All jobs have become fully automated. Listen to the city breathe in silence. Offices dark, factories idle, shoppers gone. Yet one teal figure still stands beneath the spotlight. Stay with me for 3 minutes, and you'll learn why that person still has work. A job only lives if it passes two of three tests. Test 1. Hands-on skill, the work a robot body can't copy. Test 2. Human trust, the comfort or care people refuse from metal. Test 3. Imagination, the ideas so new even data can't predict them. Survivor 3. The robot fixer. Here's what fails. A teal robot arm climbs into an attic, tangles in live wires and sparks out. Great for repeat tasks. Useless in crawl spaces that change every house. Then enters the robot fixer. Grease-stained tech swaps a circuit board and revives a million-pound line. Hands and trust, which passed two of the tests. Shortage passes 2 million techs by 2030. If you can turn a bolt and read a circuit, you'll never be cold or broke again. Survivor 2. Nurse. Mrs. Smith lies shaking after surgery. A human nurse grips her hand and hums her hymn. Robot nurse lifts the stretcher but stares lost. Question mark flickering. Empathy beats hydraulics. World health data. 5.7 million nurses needed this decade. The ring is almost full because the gap keeps growing, and so can your paycheck. Survivor 1. Therapist. 3 a.m. You send a panic text and the chatbot only sends canned sympathy. A real counselor hears the tremor in your voice and pivots to the memory that calms you. Imagination plus trust. 2 tests passed, job survives. If you had to pick one of these survivor jobs, which would it be? Type fixer, nurse, or therapist in the comments. And if you're learning something new, hit subscribe. But the future adds a new role, the AI Whisperer. Speak robot like a second language. Optimize supply chain, you say? Software does 40 analysts' work while the laptop flashes pound signs. Hands, number trust, and imagination? Absolutely. Another survivor. Survivors today. Robot fixer, nurse, therapist, and rising AI whisperer. Each passing at least 2 tests. Hands, trust, imagination. Smash like if your job made the survivor list. Drop a comment if it didn't and hit subscribe. We drop a new what if idea every single week.